Hi, class 10th lesson number 2, pair up linear equations in two variables. What do you mean by variables? The variables are nothing alphabets in a linear equation, that is the variables. So how many variables will be there? Two variables will be there. Here if you look at the equation what I have written, x, one variable is x, another variable is y. So we got two equations. It says pair of linear equation, pair, that means two linear equations we got with the two variables. We have two linear equations with two variables. In this case also x and y. Suppose if I take it as a 1 and equation 2, in the first equation we have the variables as x and y, where a1 b1 c1 as the constant. A1 is the coefficient of x, b1 is the coefficient of y, and c1 is the constant. A2 x, again the variable is x, b2y variable is y, and c2 is the constant, right? So first and second equation, if you see, the variables are same. That's what it says, two variables and a pair of linear equation, pair, two linear equations with the two variables. I had given some examples here. 3x plus 4y plus 8 is equal to 0. Here the variables are x and y. And if you check out the another equation which is given, 6x plus 5y plus 3, the x and y again the same variables, it makes a pair. If you look at here, 2a plus 3b plus 5 is equal to 0, 6a plus 2b plus 1 is equal to 0. A and a are the variables, b and b are the two variables, both. Now any linear equation given can be solved by two methods. Any linear equation given can be solved and also can be represented by two methods. Which are the two methods? One is the graphical method, doing the graph. Another is the algebraic method. So let us come for the graphical method. We got three cases here in the graphical method. What's the first case? A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. Okay, if I consider these two equations, a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. For clarification, I have written here examples. Now a1 a2, a1 by a2, what's a1? A1 is 3, a2 is 6. Let me write here, a1 by a2 3 by 6, and b1 by b2 4 by 5. Are they equal? If I simplify this, 3 ones are 3 twos are 1 by 2 is equal to 4 by. Are they equal? No, it's not equal. Suppose equation comes this way, where a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, then you gotta intersecting lines. The graph what you draw, I'm discussing about the graph now, graphical methods. In that you'll get a intersecting, maybe this is the equation 1, linear equation 2, you'll get a intersect at some point, both they intersect. So lines are intersecting, it has unique solution, that means you get one solution. How many solution you'll get? You'll get one solution, or exactly it intersect, that is a one solution. Next, consistent solution, three cases in that graphical method. In again the three cases comes, if lines intersect, I mean if two equations are given, a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by 2, the lines are intersecting, it has unique solution, that means it has one solution, only one solution. And consistent solution, consistent, it has got solution. If any lines meet together, then it has a solution. If they do not meet, then it is a inconsistent, that we'll see at next. Second, a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. I had given an example here, a1 by a2 3 by 6 minus 5 by minus 10, we have to consider minus also, 20 by 40, 20 by 40, actually I have to bring it here this side, minus 20 minus 20, however it will bring. So 3 ones are 3 twos are, minus 5 ones are 2s are, 20 ones are 22. In each case 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2. That means a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by a2, which is also equal to c1 by c2. So if linear equations are of this form, then it's a coincident line. What's a coincident line? Coincident line is one graph will get the first equation, second equation graphs, linear equation graph also will get on the same upon that only. Okay, one equation will get upon that only, the another graph also comes over, or maybe extension of that. So this is called coincident line. And infinitely many solutions, you get many solutions, each and every point you got the solutions there. Okay, it's not intersecting anywhere. This is the intersecting. When it intersects only one solution, now it is overlapping on another line, so it get many solutions. And lines also consistent solution, because it has a solutions for both lines, so it's a consistent. Third case, parallel line. When will be a parallel line? A1 by A2 is equal to b1 by b2, which is not equal to c1 by c2. I am not given example. Let me give the example. 3x plus 4y plus 6 is equal to 0. Again 6x plus 8y plus 7 is equal to 0. Let us see this. A1 by a2, 3 by 6, b1 by b2, 4 by 8, 6 by 7. 3 ones are 3 twos are, 4 ones are 4 twos are, 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2, but which is not equal to 6 by 7. So this is the case. When equation given such a way, then the lines are parallel line. Lines are parallel. Suppose one equation comes with this way and another equation graph will come with this way. So parallel, they never meet at all. They never meet at all. Okay, so in this case no solution, since they are not meeting at any point. Here they intersect, we have the solution, coincident, overlap, many solution, but they do not meet at all, so there will be no solution. And inconsistent, since there is no solution, inconsistent. Okay, we have three methods in a graphical. One is a intersected line, another one is a coincident line, another one is a parallel line. So you have to go through these cases, three cases each, because it will come for 1 mark or maybe for the 2 mark questions. Now second one is the algebraic method. There are three methods. Substitution method, as the name says, substitute, somewhere you have to substitute some value. B, elimination method, you have to eliminate by writing at the same equation, linear equation, you have to eliminate any one term, you will get the value of another, then further. Third one is the cross multiplication method. This method has been deleted this year. So we'll be having only two methods, substitution method and the elimination methods. Thank you.